So first thing we do is drill a 1/2 inch deep hole with a 1/2 inch drill into the ends of each end of the log. And then we'll mount it in our jig and finish the hole. Now this drill bit is deep enough. This is a hardened steel sleeve, and by the time I finish cutting this hole, it'll be 6 inches deep on each side of the log. So there's one. And there's two. So I will change the camera angle and show you how we actually cut the tenon on each end of this spindle, and then I will repeat it for all 18 of the spindles. Okay, so I'm going to explain first, because once I turn on my dust collection and start the saw up, you won't be able to hear me. I'm going to mount the log onto this threaded connector. It's a flexible shaft, and that's so I can spin it when I get it onto this shaft here. I'll spin it with the blade turning, and it'll cut the log, put a tenon on it, and then I'll pull it back out while it's spinning, and it'll finish the cut. Now the way the tenon thickness is determined is, of course, by how high the blade is, and I've got that pretty well adjusted to within 10,000ths of doing a 2-inch tenon. So let me turn everything on, and we'll cut 1 or 2 of them and show you how it works. So that's how we're going to cut all the tenons for this log bed.